Hi, once again, it's Simply Pinang TV. Congrats mga apo in grade 7 with honor, Nika, grade 6 class valedictorian. Valedictorian speech of my apo, Miss Nika B. Ibanez, Bacyawan Elementary School, class valedictorian, 2024 to 2025.
Memorable day for all of us because we have just ended up an episode in our lives. My dear co-graduates, the first step has been successful. Now we are about to begin a new chapter in our journey. Of course, we will have been able to reach the stage without the people who helped us. And these awards that I have today are the fruit of my labor. And I know I could not be this blessed if not because of my mama and papa. To you, mama and papa, thank you for your support to me all the time. I love you. To all the teachers, thank you for your immeasurable dedication and patience in teaching us. We learned a lot of things from you, which we will value as we continue getting through our dreams. To our grade 6 teacher, thank you for teaching us many things, especially how to respect the people around us. Thank you, Mom. My fellow graduates, we end up one glorious chapter in our lives, and new one will begin. New adventures, new friendships, new series of struggles. Thanks to Bacyawan Elementary School for being our second home for 7 years. Fellow graduates, please stand. Let us thank God for His grace and guidance, and to our teachers for their immeasurable dedication, and to our parents for their unconditional support throughout these years, and to our friends who walk along with us. Let us clap our hands for all of them. Thank you and congratulations to all of us.
Congratulations, Nika B. Ibanez. At this point, let us listen to the Pledge of Loyalty.
Sige. Elijah, parang natin nila Elijah. Ikaw ang may nagkanalya. DJ Soy Mix.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. God bless us all.